Ciao tutti, welcome to our channel. Hello everyone. Today I'm making Brasato al Barolo. I'd rather drink it rather than for cooking. But today I'm using Nebbiolo. And has been marinated for, well, I started 6 o'clock in the morning. So it's about 4 in the afternoon here, so quite a bit of time because that makes the meat softer. Brasato is today's recipe. The ingredients are already chopped up. Celery, carrots, onion, and crushed garlic without even peeling them because we're going to sieve it afterwards. And of course we have the herbs, lovely aromatic, rosemary, bay leaves, and we have spice. It's juniper berries, it's already crushed too, and of course the wine. Now, wine, my preference here is Nebbiolo because it's not so acidic, and that is the one rule here that you cannot break. If you don't like to drink the wine, don't use it for cooking. Brasato means is braising basically. So I will switch on the heat now and I will put another ingredients. So before we go any further, I will remind you again that please do subscribe for our channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos to come. Ready to we bring it to boil, and then after it boil, we're going to lower the heat, and this will be here for 2 to 3 hours. I know it's a long cooking, but that is braising. It's a long cooking, but the beauty of this is while you're doing other courses, it's doing here its own thing. So in goes another ingredients that I want to put. This is 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Mr. Heinz, of course, is my favorite brand. Very reputable brand. So this ketchup, by the way, will counteract all the acidity from wine. Some people use sugar instead of ketchup, but for me, ketchup is great for this particular recipe. So I will put the lid on now and leave it there. I will put the lid on now and bring it to boil, and then we will lower the heat after it boils. Okay, let's have a look what's underneath this lid here. Okay, now it's looking very nice and the alcohol has been evaporated from the wine. And now I'm going to remove the meat because it has been reduced to half already. And look at the meat has shrunk, has shrunk. Now I'm going to sieve all the vegetables that cook the meat. We're going to save the wine for the sauce. So in goes there. Yeah. Okay. And let me. Okay, so this is going to be discarded, the vegetables, after all the juices has been dripped. And I just cleaned the bottom of the pan so I can put the sauce back to the pan, and the meat. We'd removed some of the leaves here that I don't want, I don't need, so put this back, and these can be discarded now, that vegetable that we cooked. And it goes back to the pan. That will be the sauce. And that will be the sauce. And I switch the heat back and low heat, and I'm going to add some secret ingredients here. Secret. Now I'm about to reveal the secret here, why this particular braise is extra delicious. And here is the secret, is dark chocolate, powdered dark chocolate, amaro. And 1 tablespoon, put it there, and mix it. Dark chocolate will give a very, very good contrast flavor to the wine. I mean, wine and chocolate, how can you go wrong? So, in that, this will make even richer the sauce. And if it's necessary, we need to thicken the sauce. We can find the answer for it. We can put butter, or I can put cornstarch or any thickening that you have in hand. Please do so. So I will leave it as it is now for a while I'm preparing the rest of the side dishes to go with it. Secret why this brasato is so special, and for me it's very special, and it really is delicious and very easy to cook because there's no searing needed. Just braise it immediately from after it's been marinated. Let me check again underneath this lid here. It smells wonderful, by the way. After I cook the chocolate powder, dark, must be dark. So in the, look at the color, it's very, very dark. So I am going to move it to the board so I can carve it, and I can also do some more tweaking on the sauce, make it a little bit thicker, like adding butter here. Of course, we must have butter. Remember, there's no searing in this one. And let it melt, and then I can adjust it again if I need some thickening. I think I might use thickening here. It's really rather looking great. Look at the color of that wine, and chocolate, and the herbs, and the spice. They're all married together, and the flavors are just spectacularly coming all together. And because we like a little bit of heat, spice, so we're adding chili flakes. So now this is optional, very, very optional. I mean, very optional because some people just gonna take hot pepper. So you decide, you're the boss in your kitchen. I'm the boss in my kitchen. So I need some thickening basically here. This is tablespoon of cornstarch, corn flour if you like, and a tablespoon of water. And in there it goes. If I need more, then I add more. Now I think it's great. It's fun. The heat and the cornstarch get thick a little bit. Yeah, that's. Thanks. Here we are. I'm back, and I'm ready to carve and ready to serve, and I cannot wait because I have been smelling this braising for 4 hours, and there is the sauce underneath, and I braised it with Nebbiolo. The real McCoy for this recipe is Brasato al Barolo. But because I'm greedy, I rather drink Barolo rather than pouring it over to the pot. Cheers! So in here, I'm ready to carve it. Let me show you. Done. Done. So sorry that you cannot taste it. Only we can eat it. No, we are for it. Look at the color. Look at the color of that. And fork. In goes. He keeps running away, this table. Yeah. This. Okay. In goes. So I have also ready here. I will serve it with puree of squash because squash, sweet and rich and a little bit of spices from the sauce and the red wine, and it's a great deal of meal. And so next time you're in town, you have to taste it here in my kitchen. In there. That one goes in there. Yeah. Correct. Three. Correct. And the sauce. Opala. And here's the sauce coming. Look at the color of the sauce. Red wine and chocolate. How can you go wrong? The broccoli. We must eat broccoli because even if you don't want to be president of the US of A, broccoli is good for you. Yeah, so here it is, my Brasato al Nebbiolo with dark chocolate and served with squash puree, and it's gorgeous and delicious. Thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for those people who subscribe already, and I'll see you soon for my next video. Ciao for now, bye bye, see you soon.